Okay, for the hyperextended wrist, what I'm going to do is tape him so that his wrist does not come backwards. So I'm going to apply the pre-wrap first, a little bit down on the forearm, coming around his hand like so. As always, I'm going to apply anchors. 1 or 2 around the wrist, always splitting previous strip in half. And then 1 around the hand. I want to make sure I fold that over so that I don't create a possibility for tape cuts in the thumb. Come around the hand just lightly. Don't need to have any tension on that tape at all. Let it go where it wants to go. I want to put his wrist in flexion, because this tape will stretch a little bit after we put it on, and it will allow him to come back a little bit more. So it'll feel too tight at first, but it'll loosen up some. We're going to apply cross strips, starting from the forearm, pull that up nice and tight to the anchor on the hand, and tear that tape off at an angle there. Then we're going to do another one from the opposite side, pull that up tight, and then finally a third one right up the middle, pulling that up tight as well. Next thing is a figure 8. Start on the wrist, come around, come up, again fold that over at the thumb, around the hand, and then around the wrist. And then finally finish that off with an anchor around the wrist. And that's a hyperextended wrist.